best dollar stocks to buy, US stocks. I've got something very important for you today. You know the Naira has been under pressure. Inflation is biting hard, and saving every money you have in Naira is not giving you the correct protection your money needs. So today, I want to share with you some of the best US dollar denominated stocks you might want to buy, especially as a Nigerian who wants to safeguard their wealth. And I will also be quoting their prices in Naira, so you will know how much of investment you need to buy each of the US denominated stocks. If you are truly ready to shift from just thinking about investing, but actually doing it, you'll want to watch this video till the very end. My number one of the US stocks Nigeria can buy right now is Apple stocks, AAPL. The AAPL is the ticker. So when you are searching for Apple stock, you search through AAPL. And right now, Apple is currently trading at $237. $237. And if you convert this to Naira, this is about 356,820 Naira. The beautiful thing is, you don't have to buy a whole one Apple share if you are just starting. In fact, you can buy just 10% of it. That is 0.1 AAPL shares. And that will cost you about 35,000 Naira or thereabout. Apple is one company that dominates its ecosystem, from iPhones, MacBook, Apple stores, subscriptions. Apple doesn't just sell hardware, it builds recurring income through services. Now imagine iPhone 17 is out, and you can imagine thousands of people already queuing up to buy the iPhone 17. So this type of company is a company you can trust with your money. Even if you buy just one share or a piece of one share, you get exposure to products and services used all over the world. And you can also proudly say you are a Apple shareholder. And no matter how many Apple shares you have, you will also collect dividends when Apple share profits with shareholders. If you truly want dollar exposure, if you want to put some of your money in dollar, Apple is one of the best choice for you. And next, we have Microsoft. The ticker is MSFT. So like I said, when you are searching for this stock on any of your stockbroker app, you just type MSFT and you can buy Microsoft. The current price of Microsoft MSFT share is $508.45. $508.45. This is the current price of Microsoft shares. If we use the 1,500 Naira current exchange rate, the $508.45 will be equal to around 762,675 Naira. So $508.45 converting it to Naira will give you about 762,000. So this is what you need if you're buying a single share of Microsoft. But you can as well buy a fraction of one share. You can buy 0.1. You can even buy a 0.001, depending on how much you have. The idea is just to hedge your money against inflation and also to have dollar assets in your portfolio. And Microsoft is not just any tech company. They are deeply embedded in business infrastructure all over the world. We're talking about cloud computing. We're talking about productivity tools. We're talking about operating systems on almost all computers that we have. But you might say one share of Microsoft costs a lot. Yes, one share costs a lot, truly. But it's like you are buying a piece of companies that powers many other companies all over the world. And in 2025, 2026 and beyond, that kind of investment is the best investment you can make. Adding to that, Microsoft keeps getting more valuable every day. So when you buy a piece of the share today, the price might increase tomorrow. And coupled with dividends you are receiving as a shareholder of Microsoft. And then 3 is Tesla. Just recently, Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla, bought about $1 billion of Tesla share, and that kind of increased the price overnight. Price per share now is around $416.85. $416.85. Converting this to Naira using our 1,500 Naira current exchange rate is about 625,275. 625,275. Yes, you might also buy a fraction of one share if you don't have 625,000 Naira to buy one Tesla share. The ticker is TSLA. But the thing is, this stock, Tesla, is more volatile than the first two. But if you are looking for growth and innovation and exposure to electric vehicles plus renewable energy, because that is what Tesla does, this US stock, Tesla, could deliver bigger returns, though it's not for those who want stability. If you buy, just consider it as part of diversified investments. Number 4 is NVIDIA, NVIDA. The ticker is NVDA. NVIDIA is currently trading at $176.24. $176.24. And if we convert that to Naira using our 1,500 Naira exchange rate, that is about 264,360. 264,360. Well, I think this one is even a bit cheaper than all the three other ones we have mentioned. But still, if you cannot buy a whole one share of NVIDIA, you can buy a piece, you can buy a fraction of it. It could be 0.1 share, 0.1 share of NVIDIA, and that is about 26,000 Naira. So if you want exposure to artificial intelligence, deep learning, graphics, because NVIDIA is a powerhouse of all this AI, all this ChatGPT AI. NVIDIA power most of those AI infrastructure. And for Nigerians, this is one of the more affordable big name US stocks that you can buy right now. It is less expensive than Microsoft or Tesla per share, and also giving you a chance to own a chunk of a high growth company without spending tens of thousands of Naira for one share. NVIDIA will definitely grow, although past performance does not guarantee future performance. But with the developments happening with artificial intelligence, NVIDIA can be bigger than this in the future. And number 5 is Amazon. The ticker is AMZN. Amazon share price is currently $231.23 per share. $231.23 per share. And if you convert this to Naira, it's about 346,845 Naira per Amazon share. Amazon owns the biggest e-commerce website, the biggest e-commerce business. But Amazon is not just about shopping. The money is heavily in cloud, AWS, logistics, and expanding AI service. And for Nigerians who want exposure to companies benefiting from global consumption, Amazon is one of those US stocks you should hold as a Nigerian. Don't forget that Amazon also owns Prime, a popular streaming platform. So there are so many ways Amazon make money. Amazon is one of those US dollar stocks that when you hold it, you know this stock have a future growth potential. This is a quick bonus because you watch this video to this minute. Because I know many Nigerians worry about how to buy US stocks from Nigeria. And I'm going to list 2 stockbrokers in Nigeria that you can easily buy all the listed US stock from. And number one is Bamboo. Just go to the Play Store or the Apple Store. Search for BAMBOO, Bamboo. Now, and you download and complete all the requirements, your BVN, your NNN, your normal KYC. Then after you are approved, you just fund your account. You can start buying all this share with just $2, $1. That is about 5,000, 3,000. You already start buying US stocks. And number 2 is Trove. You can also buy US dollar stocks on Trove. It works just like bamboo. These stockbrokers are what I'm currently using to buy dollar international stocks. And don't just buy one international stocks. Diversify. Own a few US stocks, not just one, so you can spread the risk. The 5 US stocks I've listed have a very stable business model that can give you guaranteed return. But don't take my word for it. This is just for information only. You should also do your own research before buying into any stocks. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friend who has been thinking about buying US dollar stocks. And let me know in the comment which one of these stocks are already in your buy list. Thank you again, and I see you in the next one.